Hello, fellow gardeners, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can truly transform your pepper harvest: companion planting. If you've ever wondered how to get more vibrant, healthier peppers with less fuss, you're in the right place. Companion planting is a time-honored gardening technique. It involves strategically placing different plant species near each other. The goal is to create a mutually beneficial relationship in your garden. This method can deter pests, attract beneficial insects, improve soil health, and even enhance the flavor of your crops. For home gardeners and beginners, it's a natural and effective way to boost your garden's ecosystem. It reduces the need for chemical interventions. Peppers, whether sweet bell peppers or fiery hot varieties, thrive in specific conditions. They need consistent moisture, plenty of sun, and nutrient-rich soil. However, they can be susceptible to certain pests like aphids and spider mites. They also benefit from stable soil temperatures. Companion plants can address these challenges. They offer natural pest deterrents, provide beneficial shade, and even improve nutrient availability. By understanding these relationships, you can create a thriving environment for your pepper plants. This leads to a more abundant and healthier harvest. One of the primary benefits of companion planting is natural pest control. Certain plants emit compounds that repel common pepper pests. This creates a protective barrier around your valuable pepper plants. Marigolds are a classic choice for pest deterrents. Their strong scent is known to repel nematodes and other harmful insects. Plant them around the base of your pepper plants for maximum effect. Nasturtiums are another excellent option. They act as a trap crop, luring aphids away from your peppers. You can then easily remove the nasturtiums, taking the pests with them. Garlic and onions, members of the allium family, release sulfur compounds. These compounds are effective at deterring aphids, spider mites, and even some larger pests. Planting them nearby can offer significant protection. Beyond deterring pests, some companion plants attract beneficial insects. These helpful creatures prey on common garden pests or act as vital pollinators. Encouraging them is key to a balanced garden ecosystem. Dill and cilantro are fantastic for attracting predatory wasps and ladybugs. These insects are natural enemies of aphids and other soft-bodied pests. Let some of these herbs flower to maximize their appeal. Borage is a beautiful flowering herb that attracts bees and other pollinators. It also draws in beneficial predatory insects. Borage is also thought to improve the flavor and growth of peppers. Cosmos and calendula are not just pretty faces. They also attract a wide range of beneficial insects, including lacewings and hoverflies. These insects are excellent at controlling aphid populations. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. Some companion plants can improve soil structure, add essential nutrients, or help retain moisture. This directly benefits your pepper plants. Legumes like bush beans and pole beans are nitrogen fixers. They take nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form usable by plants. This enriches the soil, providing a natural nutrient boost for your peppers. Spinach and lettuce are shallow-rooted plants that can act as living mulches. They help suppress weeds and keep the soil cool and moist. This is particularly beneficial for peppers, which prefer consistent soil temperatures. Carrots and radishes are root vegetables that help loosen the soil. Their roots create channels that improve aeration and drainage. This makes it easier for pepper roots to grow and access nutrients. Peppers love sun, but in very hot climates, they can suffer from sun scald. Taller companion plants can provide a little afternoon shade. This protects the peppers from intense heat. Corn is a classic example of a tall plant that can offer some shade. Plant corn on the south or west side of your pepper patch. This provides a natural sun umbrella during the hottest parts of the day. Tomatoes can also be good companions, but with a caveat. They share similar nutrient needs and can compete if planted too close. However, a well-spaced tomato plant can offer some beneficial shade. While harder to scientifically prove, many gardeners believe certain herbs can enhance the flavor of nearby peppers. This adds another layer of benefit to your companion planting strategy. Basil is perhaps the most famous flavor enhancer for peppers and tomatoes. It's said to improve the taste of both sweet and hot peppers. Basil also helps repel flies and mosquitoes. Oregano and marjoram are also thought to enhance pepper flavor. These herbs are relatively low-growing and can form a nice ground cover. They also attract beneficial insects. Just as some plants are beneficial, others can be detrimental. Knowing what not to plant near your peppers is just as important. Avoiding these combinations prevents competition or pest attraction. Fennel is generally considered a poor companion for most garden plants, including peppers. It can inhibit growth and attract aphids. Keep fennel isolated from your main vegetable beds. Apricot trees and other fruit trees can host a fungus called verticillium wilt. This disease can also affect peppers. Avoid planting peppers too close to these trees if verticillium wilt is a concern in your area. Kohlrabi and other brassicas can sometimes attract pests that also bother peppers. While not a strict no-go, it's often best to give peppers their own space away from these heavy feeders. When implementing companion planting, remember a few key principles. Always consider the mature size of your plants. Ensure adequate spacing to prevent overcrowding and competition for resources. So go ahead and give it a try in your own garden this season. You might be amazed at the difference it makes for your pepper plants. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.